Hey guys, welcome back. This is how to receive money on Payoneer in South Africa. So guys, watch till the end as I show you a step by step. So guys, I made this table over here so we can dive in deeper. So first, just simply go to Payoneer.com and log in into your account. And after that guys, on the left side of the screen, just simply click on Get Paid in the main menu. And from there guys, just simply select Request a Payment. And from there guys, you will have an option to enter the client email address. And once you have done that, just simply provide the payment amount as well. And you can add an invoice or any supporting documents for your transactions. And you can also click preview to review the email that you will be sent to your client. And guys, once you have provided all the details, just simply go ahead and click on request payment. And from there, Payoneer will send an email to your client with an instructions on how to make a payment. And from there, guys, client will handle the rest. So the client will choose a password and then they will select a payment method and send the funds to your account. And from there, once they have send money into your account, an email will be sent to you that the transaction has been completed. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.